The Harvest Diversified Monthly Income ETF, HDIF, is built to deliver consistent enhanced monthly income. It does so through an equal weight combination of Harvest Equity Income ETFs. These underlying ETFs have all paid consistent high monthly income since their inception. They all hold portfolios of leading companies, and they all use our active covered call strategy to maximize equity income. Under this unique model, we actively write covered calls to respond to market conditions and monetize volatility. HDIF gives investors convenient access to these products through one ETF. HDIF also uses a 25% loan facility to increase the exposure to the individual ETFs and the overall income being generated. HDIF pays a set monthly distribution with a high annualized yield. This gives unit holders consistent cash flow at rates higher than most fixed income and higher than the rate of inflation. In the current interest rate scenario, Canadians are looking for alternatives to enhance income, and we believe HDIF is one of those solutions. So again, a one-stop investment in Harvest ETFs, our proven equity income strategy, attractive, consistent monthly income, and no layered management fees, quality, diversification, and income. Harvest Diversified Monthly Income ETF, HDIF, trading on the TSX.